Hey, if you cannot connect AirPods 4 into your iPhone, Android, basically any other device, first of all, you have to be sure that you simply turn off the Bluetooth on this device. Now, you will have to also be sure that you charge this case at least for like 5 or 10 minutes just to be able to enter for the pairing mode. And right now, you will have to just open this case, and when this indicator pops, you will have to like double tap, double tap, double tap, and now this icon starts blinking red. It means that we successfully perform a hard reset. So now you can just close this case, just wait for a few seconds, open it one more time, and when this indicator starts blinking white, it means that everything is fine. If it is not blinking, for example when it turns green, then you will have to double tap to enter for the pairing mode. So that's how it actually looks. Now as you can see, in my case I just turn it off, but let's get it back. There we go. And you will have to turn the Bluetooth back. And from as you can see right now, it works. So I can just click on this quick panel, and right now I will be connected. And if it is still not working, then you can simply try to reset network settings on your iPhone by going into the search. You have to search for the reset, erase all content, go for the reset, and select to reset network settings. And you can also do this if you have Android phone or for example your TV. So basically remember to actually clear this default settings of your Bluetooth and get them back to the default state. So after this, there's like no way that it's not gonna work. But if you still have some issue, then I highly recommend you to contact with Apple support. Thanks for watching.